Now, let's start with Laravel Fortify. This is the only authentication and package in Laravel which only creates the back end. So the front is all up to you. It will only generate the back end codes and you have to create the front end. Now, let's go and install this in our Laravel package. Let's open our project and in here let's type composer require Laravel slash Fortify. Enter. Okay, so the installation is finished. Now we have to publish the vendor file. So let's clear this and type php artisan vendor colon publish. Enter. Now in here select the Laravel Fortify, this one, Laravel Fortify service provider. So in my case, it's 5. Let's type here 5 and enter. Done. So now if I run PHP artisan serve and go to this URL, I don't have any login and register buttons. I only have this dashboard and that's also not found. So this Fortify only generate the backend code. For example, if I come here, so let's fix this. Okay. Now in my app folder, there is a new folder have been created with the name of actions, and inside this another folder with the name of Fortify. In here I have create user action, password validation action, all the actions that are required for login and registration. You can find it in here. Also, one more thing that in here, it also created a new migration which adds two-factor secret in my users table, and also it have a down method. So after the installation, then you have to run php artisan migrate. Enter, then it will run your migration. So because I have already added, that's why I get this error. Otherwise it will run your migration. Then you have to create your own login and registration views.